Q&A, I've got a question from Tanya McGinnis, who's asking, all of these are so awesome and unique. I can't wait to order one of the artist collaborations. I'm confused though. Do the special treatment beads come with the kits and are just optional, or do you have to purchase them separately? Well, you can actually do both. Usually, what we've started doing is when we have new releases of either designs from our artists or we're launching a new artist. Currently, what we're doing is we're throwing in free special treatment or free special beads. So right now we have them for Kathy Delancey's collection, our latest artist at the DIYmoon shop, but we also have it for the latest collection under Sibyl Art, who we've had at the shop for almost a year now, but we release a new series of designs under her collection, and those ones came with free special treatment. So just check the item that you're purchasing or that you like, because it may still have the promo of special treatment or free special beads, but if it doesn't, you can still purchase those special beads separately. Normally, we would have the information on what kind of beads was used for a special treatment, and just in case you have any questions, you can always reach out and ask us, and we'll give you the recommendations, or you can just go on ahead and let us know that you'd like special treatments on any one of your purchased paintings, and we'll conduct those treatments for you and show you the options you have, and then give you the corresponding cost for each version, and then you choose, and then we bill you and we send you your items. So that's pretty much how it works, Tanya. So I hope I answered your question. I believe I've got several more questions. Let me try to find them. Okay. Rebecca Waters, maybe a dumb question. No dumb questions at all. Don't worry. Maybe a dumb question, but if I order special treatment, does the canvas tell me where to place the diamonds, or do I just do it, follow the example you give? Pretty much, sometimes it may be a simple application of the beads on certain areas of the canvas. For example, if it's sprinkle it in the background to create stars, we encourage you to kind of decide for yourself where in the background you'd like to place those electric diamonds. This is really one way where you can kind of unleash your creativity and not have to follow a strict code. So sometimes, though, that there are special treatments where we'll tell you fill in the halo with the electric diamonds. So obviously that would be following the color instead of the code on the canvas, so that you have the entire halo of an angel, for example, sparkling with electric diamonds. But regardless, we always send an instruction for you where you will be placing your diamonds or your special beads for your special treatment. So you'll have all the information that you'll need. And if you do have any questions, follow-up questions, don't hesitate to send us a message either on Facebook, on email, or simply jot it down like what you're doing right now, Rebecca, on YouTube. I believe there was one more question. Let me just look for that one. Is that it? Maybe that's it. Oh, there. Britney Foreman. Oh, Reggie, can you get me a fire opal, please? So Britney Foreman is asking, well, she said, that turned out amazing. It will be stunning when finished. What do the fire opals look like? Are they on your site? Yes, they are. All you have to do is type in the search bar fire opal, and you should be able to find it on the website, and you can actually purchase them either by the vial. I'm not sure if you already have it posted on the website for the fire opals in test tubes, but we're trying to get to that. Thank you. So these are the fire opals, and yes, they are on the website already. So this is one vial of fire opal. So we have a ton of different beads. Actually, there's a lot. Definitely, I think maybe about 40 different ones, and there's still more to come. So we're just taking pictures of it and uploading it to the website, which sometimes takes a while. But yeah, it is there, Brittany. So thank you for your views on our site and also on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and to hit that bell sign so you don't miss a notification of new videos posted. And once again, we thank everyone so much for participating in our Christmas giving program. I'll just do like a special mention because I actually just jotted down everything. I'm trying to make a list of all of the purchases so that we can make sure that we get the 10% of everything. So we'd like to thank for the first day of the program of our Christmas Giving Gifts program. We've got Melanie Melendres, Lori Blewett, Pam Ferris, Stormy Capucho, Gemma Charles, Catherine Kent, Eva Borkowski, Shinobu, um, Hirota, Jen Gallardo, Allison Soto, Susan Lewis, Hera Hagstos, Reem Hanna, Patricia Luna, Linda Ryan, Catherine Higgins, Elion Demaye, Angela Stornetta, and Carolyn Oden. I don't know if you've made a purchase in the interim while I was filming this video, but if you have, thank you so much. We are preparing something so that the kids can actually know the names of the people responsible for helping us organize this event and this party for the kids, and we'll show you guys. There's a lot of surprises coming up, but we really appreciate it, and especially to our ambassadors for the charitable event. Thanks to Rachel Ray, to Haika Binsack, or Stone Cold Coffee Crafts on YouTube, also to Alicia Tepper, who you may find on YouTube as Crafting with Mrs. Crochet and Coffee. We also have Fiona Delbridge. Her YouTube channel is Diamond in the Rough, and of course Cheryl Burke. I'm not sure that she has a YouTube channel, but she is going to be sharing, the event and the program, and I think she's also going to be participating in the giveaway. So one of her followers will get to win the limited edition kimono kit by Kathy Delancey. So thank you for your support, and Kathy, welcome to DIYmoon Shop as our latest artist here, and you're the last for the year 2019. We'll have more for the year 2020, but right now we want to cap it off and with a bang. And so congratulations, and we look forward to working more with you on your beautiful designs for diamond painting. All right, in the meantime, I've got the kids who want to say bye-bye.
Okay, let's say bye-bye. Let's say bye-bye. 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 Ho, 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 ho. Alrighty then.